The remains of 25 Chinese soldiers killed in the 1950-53 Korean War were casketed in South Korea on Wednesday to be sent back to their homeland. The ceremony to lay the 25 remains in coffins was held in Incheon, west of the capital, Seoul. The Chinese delegation, led by Vice Minister of Veterans Affairs Chang Zhengguo, officials with the Chinese embassy in South Korea, representatives of Chinese students and Chinese companies in South Korea, as well as officials with the South Korean Defense Ministry and personnel responsible for the excavation and identification of the remains, attended the ceremony. A flower basket was laid at a temporary settlement for the remains of the Chinese People's Volunteers martyrs. All members of the Chinese delegation bowed 3 times to the CPV martyrs and presented flowers. The South Korean side placed the remains in coffins after the memorial service of the Chinese side. Since 2014, China and South Korea have successively handed over the remains of 913 CPV martyrs in South Korea for 9 consecutive years, following humanitarian principles and conducting friendly and practical cooperation. This year's repatriation ceremony, the 10th of its kind, is scheduled to be held at the Incheon International Airport on Thursday.